A revolution is building on a factory floor. In the heart of America, an aircraft company leverages innovation to overturn everything you knew about business travel. The new standard has arrived. The Citation Longitude radically changes the way you move, from meeting business opportunities to reaching the places and the people you love. For the first time, you can bridge those miles while enjoying the amenities of a corner office, conference room, or quiet study. The Longitude's superior soundproofing creates a cabin that is significantly quieter than all the competition. And only the Longitude gives you class-leading comfort with a flat floor plus a full 30 inches of legroom. This is how you've always envisioned doing business. A cabin trimmed to perfection and constant connectivity and productivity in flight. With a cabin altitude under 6,000 feet, the Longitude keeps you refreshed and ready to perform when you arrive at your destination. Proven avionics effortlessly navigate the skies, all while the Longitude performs at the lowest operating costs. No other company can deliver a flying experience remotely comparable. We offer you more than the best in class. We offer the support of a lifelong business partner. As the industry's most successful manufacturer, we are the most committed to keeping you flying. With Textron Aviation at your side, your next move never stops. It's time to revolutionize the way you travel. Experience the new standard. Experience the Citation Longitude.